hello everyone, welcome to my channel Divisha's Dream World. So today's topic is different. Today I am going to review about Figaro olive oil and benefits of olive oil. So let's get started. As we all know, natural oils are extremely good for us, and if it is something as beneficial as olive oil, then you can certainly reap some amazing benefits from it for your health and appearance. In this video, we are going to review one of the best olive oils available in the market, that is Figaro olive oil. If you are fond of natural oils, you must have heard about it or used it already. So does it live up to its claim? So first we need to know what is olive oil. Olives are the fruits of olive tree, which is a traditional crop. Olive oil is a liquid fat obtained by pressing whole olives. It is usually rich in antioxidants, monounsaturated fatty acids and plenty of other helpful nutrients, which make it a popular global choice. Olive oil is an indispensable part of cooking, which is mostly used for frying and salad dressing. Besides, it is also widely used in the production of pharmaceutical, cosmetics, soaps, etc. So now, before we start talking about Figaro product, we should know the health benefits of olive oil. It is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats. It contains large amount of antioxidants. Olive oil has a strong anti-inflammatory properties. By using olive oil, it prevents us from cancer, metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, arthritis, and many more. It helps prevent strokes. It protects us from heart disease. Olive oil is not associated with weight gain and obesity. It is good for hair also. It has antibacterial properties. Basically, this is a Spanish product. It has extremely popular throughout India for the last few decades. From cooking to beauty practices, it claims to have a number of uses along with a ton of benefits. Now let's move on to the features of a product. It is India's most trusted olive oil brand. Pure olive oil, zero preservatives and no chemicals. Extracted from cold pressuring from the finest Spanish oil. Imbibed with the natural goodness of pure olive oil. The price of this product is rupees 160, as you can see here, and the quantity is 100 ml. So here I would like to inform you that if you want to purchase 200 ml packaging of this product from other websites like Amazon, Flipkart, then you get it around 270 to 275, and I will provide the link in the description box. You will check out there. So the shelf life of this product is 36 months. It is easily available both online and offline. It is pure olive oil, free from arginine oil. Also, it contains trans fatty acids, not more than 0% by weight. From last few years, I am using this product and it gives me amazing results, whether it is for skin, hair, massage and many more. This time I have this in my stuff. I have already used 200 ml bottle of this product. It comes in a dark green colored tin container which is fairly rectangular in shape. It has a wide opening at the top with a green screw cap lid to keep it covered. Even though the cap is tight enough to prevent spillage or leakage, the overall mechanism is not at all user friendly. It is really difficult to pour the oil onto the palm without creating a mess, as the opening of the bottle is pretty wide. If you be extremely careful while pouring the oil, you can still not avoid the mess around the bottle. In fact, you need to keep a tissue or paper towel handy in order to wipe off the excess oil around the mouth of the container after each use. In short, the packaging of the product is absolutely not travel friendly, though it appears like quite a classy one. The label around the body of the container contains necessary information about the oil. However, it does not contain any instruction or application or usage. It is pale or light golden green colored liquid which turns yellow once poured onto the palm. It is slightly thicker in consistency than regular coconut oil but has a very light non-sticky texture. which make it easily spreadable. It has a nice mild scent which should not bother even the sensitive nose. Being full of antioxidants and a rich source of vitamin E, it comes loaded with health benefits. It is a pure treatment for our skin and hair if we use the right way. Massaging the olive oil every day into the skin makes it soft, smooth, supple and naturally glowing. Being lightweight and non-sticky, it is absorbed into the skin quickly. Apart from this, we can use this product as a facial oil and can also be used for taking care of nail cuticles, keeping our lips soft, removing makeup and whole body massage. It is beneficial for our hair also. When massaged into the scalp gently, the slightly warmed oil nourishes it from inside, thereby reducing dryness, flockiness, dandruff. If you use it regularly, then this oil strengthens hair follicles and prevents them from falling at a rapid rate. It also deep conditions dry, frizzy and damaged hair to make them soft, smoother, shinier and bouncier after each application. This oil is also pretty helpful in repairing split ends. People who have greasy scalp mix this olive oil into coconut oil for better results. This is not a hair growth treatment, hence you cannot expect growth of lost hair. So yeah, that's it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please turn the black thumb blue. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. Till then, take care, bye.